Thank you to the person that's making me do this right now.
They told you to put sunscreen on?
Someone said on the face sunscreen, Ava.
I said that.
Non, ils sont pas en liège, mais ils sont dans vos
I think we're going to show up tan the space.
Ils sont comme en carton, en plastique. Un mou.
I can't believe we're going to Club Space.
We bought the tickets, we're going.
We have to go.
No, we are going. I just am going to go find it out.
So we have to leave here at like 6, right?
Maybe even a little, yeah, I don't know. Let me look up how far it is. Because then we have to like find parking. Or we might have to find parking. And then Uber from a parking spot.
Shout out to Roxard for single-handedly.
It's an hour away.
No, it's not.
Eva, it's an hour, 2 minutes.
What do you mean it's an hour and 2
Dude, I
minutes?
thought it was like 30 minutes.
What do you mean it's an hour away?
Eva, it's like going down the shore.
Can you put in, did you put in time? Switch the time.
Eva, it doesn't matter.
It said time leaving, put 5
Where do you
a.m.
do that?
Are you on the Maps app?
Now.
Leave
Time.
5 a.m. Maybe now is very busy.
$45 minutes.
Fine.
Doesn't matter, we're going anyway.
Doesn't matter, we're going.
Already bought the tickets.
We already bought the tickets. I wonder if we could find parking near Space. Like, what if we could buy it now and
I'm
it's
looking
cheaper?
it up. I have a parking app.
I'm shorter than 5'3". Can't see fixed camera. Can you see it now? I can't believe we're going to Club Space.
I'm already finding us parking.
We're buying parking right now. Thank you so much to everyone that has sent us gifts for me and my sister to go to Club Space.
$15 at a parking garage.
Alright, buy it right now. Or do you want me to buy it? Just send me the link. Send me the link.
I'm trying to find one in walking distance.
I'll stick it right in the parking garage.
This one's $15 and it's a 6-minute walk.
Buy it. You put the times in. Put from.
I did. I am.
Great.
Enter your make and model. We'll do it later. When I go to the store, I'll do it.
$15 cheap. I thought it was gonna be like $40. Fine.
Miami World Center.
We should go in the water.
I just put sunscreen.
I just also put sunscreen on, so never mind. Gotta make sure you get the toes. Thank you so much.